Today we're installing the UPPAbaby Mesa in a Volvo V90 cross country. Most Volvo installations are exactly the same, and the key element is identifying the anchor points in the vehicle. Keep in mind, most car seat failures are human error, so identifying the anchor points and understanding the latches is a key component. We will now open the covers for the anchor points in the Volvo series. That exposes the two metal rigid latch components. We'll grab an UPPAbaby Mesa ready to install, and to install an UPPAbaby Mesa, all you got to do is press the orange button on top and it releases the strap. That strap finds an anchor point. You'll hear it connect. Do the same thing to the other side. Again, you'll hear the connection. Once it's connected, it is an automatic ratchet recoil. So just start wiggling it until it gets into place and add some pressure. Once the pressure is installed, you get a green figure up on top that allows this base no longer to move. Then it's very simple. Just grab the car seat and install it in place. 2019 UPPAbaby Mesa, simple installation, very easy to level, very easy to remove. Squeeze the back, comes off. On the side of an UPPAbaby Mesa, you have a green bubble. That'll allow you to identify at the very early stage, if this car seat is set in level. As soon as I installed it, I noticed it was in level, so there's no need for additional adjustment. However, if there is additional adjustment, push the orange button, release the anchor on both sides, and there's an extendable base on the bottom of this that will allow you to adjust it higher or lower. For 2019, the UPPAbaby Mesa is a simple installation shown here in a Volvo V90.